how to repost someone's story on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can repost someone's story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to repost someone's story on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open Instagram. Now if you are mentioned in the story, what happens is that you'll most likely find the notification in your DMs tab, or you'll also most likely find the notifications here. You'll find the option whenever you open the story to add that to your story as well. But if you're not mentioned in the story and if you'd like to use that to your own story and you want to repost it, you have to open up that particular story and then just go ahead and then basically take a screenshot of this story here. Once you take a screenshot, if it's a picture or if it's a video, you can take a screen recording. Now you can just tap the plus icon, choose that particular screenshot here, and once done you can simply add, tag, mention, whatever else you prefer to that person, and you will be able to share their story. This way you can add someone's story on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.